we are going to thoroughly test out the Redmi Note 11 in this video, keeping in mind what we all remember very well, the catastrophic structural failure of the Redmi Note 10 last year. The build quality of the Redmi Note 10 was the weakest of 2021. And we sure hope that Xiaomi have rectified the build and design so that history doesn't repeat itself. Once again, a good quality transparent case free inside the box. Good to see this now on a regular basis, since there was a time when this wasn't the case, unlike BBK. So as we know, the Note series is the most popular, highest selling Redmi, which sometimes fails like the Redmi Note 3, Note 8, Note 9 Pro or the last Note 10. Here we have the Horizon Blue version 6 plus 128GB variant. Like the last two Notes, this one too has a plastic back with a matte finish. The Note 8 though had glass. Not a premium feel as a glass back. The look is okayish and the plastic feel is kind of underwhelming. It's great to see a 33 watts Pro fast charger bundled inside the box, which previously was never the case, and you needed to spend more if you wanted one. So on to the scratch test. A 13 megapixel f2.4 wide selfie shooter at the front. On the main camera unit, a 50 megapixel f1.8 primary CMOS lens, an 8 megapixel f2.2 ultra wide shooter, 2 megapixels f2.4 macro lens for the close-up shots, and a 2 megapixel f2.4 lens for depth sensing. We are abusing the screen as usual with common atoms and a heavy duty blade. Mostly all Mi devices we have tested in the past have done terribly well due to use of high quality Corning glass protection. That's why we are super confident that the Redmi Note 11 too will also follow the most scale of hardness and survive the blade abuse. The ones which have consistently failed against the might and sharpness of the blade on a regular basis are mostly budget devices from the house of BBK and Realme with poor quality tempered glass protection and no oleophobic coating. On first glance, everything seems to be great as expected. No major or minor scratch damages or marks on the glass. But on closer inspection, there are a few permanent light scratches from the blade, so a partial fail which doesn't happen very often. Next, on to fun stuff with value, the bend test. Is the structural build quality of the Redmi Note 11 as weak as that of the Redmi Note 10, which broke due to catastrophic failure? Has Xiaomi done enough on the RN11 to rectify the faulty design of the RN10? Slightly nervous on the first bend, since the failed Note 10 had also managed to survive its first bend. Definitely some flex near the scanner, but lesser than the Redmi Note 10. Moving on. A bit more flex degree than the first, but the Note 11 is still managing to hold on at this stage.
Your phone has no SIM card installed, so I can't help you with that at the moment.
It looked like the back may pop out a bit, but it's obviously a huge relief that Xiaomi have learned the lesson from the weakest Note of 2021 by reinforcing the build quality and design on the Redmi Note 11. Next, on to the drop test. Starting with 2 drops from pocket height. First drop on the bottom side and the second drop from top side. absolutely fine, no signs of any early trouble or weird screen freezes or display shatter. The Redmi Note 11 passes both pocket drops. Next, first high drop, bottom side plastic edge down. A slight mark and dent at the right. We have seen better on other budget devices. Next, second high drop, top side plastic edge down. This time a lot worse, a tiny protrusion at the left plastic under the glass protection and a mark at the plastic edge, not at all a good sight to behold. Second last high drop, quad camera unit side down. Great job by the camera unit frame. The glass protection on the camera lens seems absolutely undamaged as of now. Next, the last finale drop you all have been waiting for. AMOLED display and corning glass protection down. This is a total disappointment from Xiaomi that we are witnessing here. A dead and fried AMOLED. We have seen dead AMOLEDs from Samsung earlier, but this is the first poor quality fail from Redmi. In the Mi 11 Ultra, only the Victus glass are shattered. Here the Corning Glass 3 is fine, but the AMOLED is shattered and totally damaged, requiring costly repair charges. The Redmi Note 11 has massively failed the drop test, and you should try your level best to avoid accidental drops.